My client said this to me as she was sorting through a box of miscellaneous papers. I hate doing this. I don't want to do it. It's hard. And I agreed, but I encouraged her to not give up because it's so rewarding. It's so satisfying to get through that box of clutter, that pile of clutter, whatever it may be. No matter how small your progress, it's just so rewarding. And it might keep you going, like my client found. So she did stick with it. I encouraged her, supported her, helped her make decisions. I was right by her side, encouraging her to keep going. And I'm sharing this with you today to encourage you to keep going, even when it's hard. Encourage you to start, even when it's hard and you don't want to do it. Do it anyway. This is what happened. She got through that box, and then she pulled another box over by her. We were sitting on the floor and started going through that box. She kept going. It was time for our session to end. It was time for me to leave, and she decided to continue after I left. That was so exciting. It was so cool to see that happen because she overcame her desire to quit and she kept plugging along. So I want to encourage you again to keep going. It is going to be worth it. That satisfaction of getting that done. Get something under your belt. And then going forward, notice when you're tempted to throw things in a box. Company's coming over, let's box it up or bag it up, hide it. I encourage you to try to not do that. So instead of letting that stuff pile up, go through it on a daily basis, make decisions. Notice when you want to just set it there for now. Try to make a decision about it then and there. Make a different choice. Notice. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just take notice. See if you can make another choice. If you have someone that should hear this message, please share this video with them. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. This is Jill Annis with Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert.